This is in fact a ladybird lodge. Now, on this area, you may find in some of your windowsills at home, corner of the shed, the garage, the conservatory, a little warm window that gets quite a lot of sun because it's south facing. It becomes a perfect little spot for ladybirds just to get over the winter. From October right the way through to February, they need a place just to hibernate. I mean, a ladybird's life is 1 year. So it will overwinter here. Then as it comes into March and into May, that's when it starts to produce the eggs, and then it's a little larva. They always look like little tiny alligators, the larva, but they eat a lot of green fly, and so do the ladybirds as well. 5,000 aphids a ladybird can eat in its lifetime. So just over the far corner, there's a greenhouse, and that is where I'm going to be doing a lot of my grow your own. So by having natural predators to green and black fly is something particularly good, because I don't want to use a lot of insecticides down into the grow your own area. And when I've got plenty of these little friendly chaps eating their way through the aphids, it's perfect. I also like seeing them. You know, aren't ladybirds marvellous? Hard set of wings on the outer side, soft set of wings underneath. Whatever happens, these fascinating creatures are the gardener's friend. They're absolutely amazing. Don't touch them. If you've got them in your own house, give them a little bit of warmth so they can overwinter, fly out into your garden and help protect your plants, because they are one of a few hedgehogs, and also birds and little frogs and toads too are also great bouncers. But if you see these little insects, these lovely little ladybirds, take good care of them.